gosh, y'all, I did something so cute in my kitchen. I have to show you. It was so inexpensive. It's little sticker things that I bought at the Family Dollar store in Benson. $5, y'all. Let me turn this off and I'll spin the camera around and show you just how cute it turned out. Okay, so this is the packaging that it came in. So cute, and only $5. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me take you to the wall. Ta-da! Is that not the cutest ever? Oh my gosh, it looks like it's been painted on there. Now I want to do my whole wall. Okay. Just something simple I wanted to show y'all. A little $5 project, just added so much pizzazz to a little wall in my kitchen. Hope you enjoyed it. Just wanted to give you a little close-up version so you could really see. And it looks like these are like shadows. It's actually part of the sticker, but they are such nice stickers that it really looks like a painted on shadow. I'm telling you, I can't remember a time that I have thought $5 was so well spent. All right, I promise you I'm done this time. If you like this project and want to see more of the different little things that we do, please subscribe. And if you want to be notified whenever we do go live or whenever a new video comes up, just be sure to ring that bell. It is our goal to get to 1,000 members, just simply so we can go live from my phone, which would make it so much easier than having to do so much editing. So thanks so much. I hope y'all have a very blessed day. I appreciate the fact that you watch.